I'm David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned Webpack Series, Episode 11. We're going to be looking at optimization and specifically minimizing. We got a couple of different flags here that Webpack gives us: optimize, minimize, and optimize occurrence order. Those are both under the minimization area. We're not going to look at occurrence order today, but I do want to let you know what it does. It assigns the module and chunk IDs by occurrence count. IDs that are used the most often get lower, shorter IDs. So 1 through 9 versus 10 through 11, etc., 10 through 99. It's probably less common. The Uglify.js plugin is what's going to be used for the minimize. It's going to minimize all JavaScript output of chunks. Loaders are switched into minimizing mode. Note that we're just using the flags today, but we can later on we'll look at using them via plugins. So here's our package.json. So we just have a new script here that basically adds this optimize minimize tag. Let's take a look real quick at what our Webpack looks like. We got a few different entry points, and then we have the name.bundle. So example is just A, B, and then requires C, which has B and D again, A, B, and F, and this one's similar to the example, E, C, B, and D. B also requires A. And actually, let's open up our tree view here. So you can see all the files, nothing super fancy going on. And we've just built it not using the optimization flag. So we can take a look at what's going on. And you can see here are the different bundles that are built. 1.1, this is going to be for the require statement under example. 4.4 is going to be for the require statement under page.2, page 2. And you can see here how each of the chunks are broken down. So page 2, as we remember, is E, C, B, and D, where B requires A. You can see here, so that's what's going to happen here. And basically, so this is going to be A, B, C, and D. If we look at that here, you'll see A, B, C, and D. And then page 2 itself, you scroll down, you'll see it's got the E and then required D. So all fairly standard stuff. You can see how many bytes are broken down for this, for each of these. And so let's go ahead and clean real quick. Bring this up a little bit. See? And if we go ahead and we run optimize now, it's going to have that optimize flag, and we can compare these byte counts for 825 versus up here we had 4 kilobytes, 182 bytes versus 55, 304 versus 1.8, 802 versus 4.21, and 107 versus 364, so it's significantly smaller. Additionally, because of through Uglify, we get some warnings about unused variables, which is nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these just as a comparison. You'll see it's been highly optimized, short single-digit variables, and uglified pretty dang well. So definitely something you should probably be using if you're not, in order to build all of your files out and save a lot of bandwidth for your users. That's it for today's episode. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, please like the video, and then make sure to sign up for my newsletter on ProgrammingTIL.com as well. Thank you and have a great day.